Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The concept of a 2026 Corvette Apartment Motorhome is an intriguing possible combination of the roomy luxury of a mobile apartment and the legendary American sports car performance. The Apartment Motorhome designation proposes a radical reinvention of Chevrolet's Corvette brand, which is typically associated with thrilling speed and a sleek, low-slung design, by expanding its essence to a realm of unmatched comfort and livability on wheels. One would expect a significant divergence from conventional motorhome aesthetics when envisioning the exterior. The design would need to be scaled and modified to fit a significantly larger footprint, while preserving the Corvette's distinctive aggressive posture and aerodynamic principles. It might have a sculpted, flowing body that was lengthened and enhanced, resembling the contours of the Corvette. The distinctive headlights and taillights of the Corvette would be echoed with distinctive lighting signatures, creating an identifiable presence. Even in a motorhome setting, it would be essential to combine the need for space with an innate emphasis on performance and efficiency by using lightweight yet durable materials, perhaps using modern composites. The apartment would really come to life inside the 2026 Corvette Apartment Motorhome. This area would be carefully planned to provide a high-end living experience that goes well beyond what is usually found in a camper. A well-planned floor plan that maximizes both private and public spaces could be imagined. Luxurious finishes that gently reference its performance past, such exquisite leather seating, polished wood accents, and perhaps even carbon fiber details would be crucial. A luxurious bedroom space would provide the utmost in luxury, and a modern kitchen would be furnished with the best appliances. To provide a feeling of versatility and room within the vehicle's footprint, creative space optimization solutions, perhaps integrating furniture that can be transformed or retracted, would be essential. Integrating technology would be essential to its identity. One may anticipate sophisticated smart home capabilities that control lighting, security, entertainment, and climate in addition to ordinary infotainment. Strong internet access and sophisticated navigation would be essential for connectivity. For a car of its size, driver assistance technologies that capitalize on GM's state-of-the-art innovations would probably improve safety and usability. Despite its large size, the Apartment Motorhome would redefine performance to mean smooth long-distance travel and elegant handling, whereas the Corvette brand largely conjures up images of speed. To move such an opulent home with authority, a strong and effective powertrain, possibly a sophisticated V8 or maybe a hybrid setup, would be required. The suspension system would be fine-tuned to minimize the impression of travel over different terrains and offer a comfortable, smooth ride. An elite customer looking for the perfect fusion of luxury living, open-road freedom, and automotive excitement would be the target market for the 2026 Corvette Apartment Motorhome. A genuinely one-of-a-kind and aspirational travel experience would be created by fusing the charm of a classic sports vehicle with the unmatched comfort and convenience of a luxury mobile residence.